When people think about investment costs, they often picture big, one-time fees. Something noticeable that shows up immediately. But some of the most influential costs are quiet, almost invisible, and they work steadily in the background over the years. One of these is the total expense ratio, or TER. This chart shows the total cost of holding an exchange-traded fund over a 40-year span, starting with an initial investment of $10,000. We've assumed an average annual growth rate of 7% with no additional contributions. Inflation, capital gains taxes, and transaction costs are left out so we can focus entirely on one factor, the TER. Here, the TER is 0.50%. On paper, that's just half of 1% per year. For many investors, it might seem too small to worry about. But the TER isn't charged once. It's applied every year to your entire portfolio. And as your portfolio grows, the size of that 0.5% grows too. Over the decades, these small, repeated charges compound. The very same compounding that helps investments grow can also magnify costs when they're percentage-based. A small deduction in year 1 becomes a much larger deduction in year 20, 30, and 40. By the end of the 40-year period shown here, the total amount paid in TER alone reaches over $10,600. That's money you no longer have invested, money that could have generated its own returns. The takeaway is simple. Costs matter. Even a fraction of a percent makes a big difference when you're investing for decades. Lowering fees wherever possible can help keep more of your money working for you.